Red Robe Girl. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl who always wears a red robe. When leaving the house, he lived with his mother in a village near the forest. One day, mother asked the girl in the red robe to visit his grandmother who is sick. He immediately went to see him. The grandmother, who lived in the middle of the forest, by making cakes made by my mother, ordered the girl in the red robe. Be careful and don't talk to people you don't know. So River to ask Red really enjoyed his journey through the forest while singing loudly. He doesn't realize that something was being suddenly stalked him from behind a tree. A big wolf appeared, approached the girl in the red robe. The wolf asked what the girl was doing it alone in the middle of the forest. The red robe girl lost sight of the impression. His mother not speak to even the red robe girl. Foreigner said that he would visit. His grandmother lived in the middle of the forest. The sly wolf immediately tell it go. Even the wolf is evil in its mind. The teachers went to grandma's house accordingly. With his plan, the wolf researched more. I used to go straight to my grandmother's house. With his plan, the wolf researched more. First at grandma's house and straight away, knocking the grandmother's door, who thought she was a grandson, which later arrived directly. Opened the door. As the door was opened, the wolf immediately jumped and pounced. Grandma didn't have time to put up fight. Grandma finally fell out of consciousness. The wolf immediately hid Grandma in the wolf's closet and then disguised himself. As a grandmother, she wears clothes and knickknacks that Grandma used those. As a grandmother and changed the tone of her voice like a voice. Grandmothers sometimes later the girl in a red robe come and knock on the door. A wolf in disguise. Grandma pretend to be asleep. After several knocks on the door and didn't get the clock girl's answer, Red finally comes in and goes straight approached the grandmother who was lying there. But the girl was wearing a robe. Looked as usual, Grandma's body looked. Red felt there was something strange. Grandma didn't. His ears looked long eyes and his hands looked very big and the robe girl's mouth was very wide. Red realized that it wasn't his grandmother and immediately ran outside house right before the wolf pounced on him. The girl in the red robe ran while screaming for help. What a coincidence. There was a hunter who was passing him, rushed over the girl. The girl in the red robe said everything. The hunter immediately changed the wolf. The wolf is watching. The hunter's arrival immediately ran away and ran away in fear of the red-robed girl. Went back into his grandmother's house, looking for the whereabouts of his grandmother. It took the robed girl a long time, Red managed to find Grandma, hidden by the wolf in the cupboard. The end.